What's up, guys? Harrington Hair here, and happy holidays. Yeah, that's right, the holidays are upon us. And if you don't know what to get the furry in your life for Christmas, then never fear. Because this week what we're going to do is go over 5 awesome gift ideas for furries. And each of these gift ideas are going to be under $100 US. So, sit back, relax, and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and let's get right on into it. So we're going to talk about 5 awesome gift ideas that you can get the furry in your life, and all of these gifts again are going to be under $100 US, so they won't break the bank. The first gift idea is art. There are tons of really talented artists out there that would be more than happy to take a commission, which is you pay someone to draw a character for you or to draw something for you, and they'll draw a picture of your friend's persona. So we love art. We love to get art of our characters and all that sorts of stuff. So this would be an awesome gift to receive for the holiday season. And you can find these artists on anywhere from Facebook to Fur Affinity and other places. Now, of course, with art and stuff like that, prices can vary. But you should be able to get some quality artwork for under $100. Just bear in mind, it can take time for the artist to complete the piece. So make sure you ask them what their commission queue is like before you hire them to make sure it gets done in time for the holidays. I've talked about the next gift idea a few times here on the channel. Raptor mask, maskables, and other animal type masks. These can be found anywhere from Target to Amazon and other places, and they're a great and inexpensive start to a fursuit if you have a person in your life who's just looking into trying out fursuit and see if they like it, and they want to do so on a budget. That's something I can definitely understand, and this would be a great way to help them get started. Our next gift idea isn't one particular item, but several. Most people in our awesome community are really creative, so get them some supplies for whatever craft they happen to do. Whether that's a sketchbook for people who draw, some upholstery foam or faux fur for any fursuit makers you might hang out with. When in doubt, just ask them, and I'm sure they have a long list of materials that they need for a project they're working on. Our next gift idea is something that's been just about every single one of my videos. Star paws. I got these paws the same day that my head arrived in the mail. They have a wide variety of colors to go with any sort of character, and they're very warm for the winter. So they make great winter gloves, and they squeak. So they're definitely worth checking out. And people who comment on my videos, they often like these star paws. So I gotta assume they're fairly popular. And you can get star paws on Etsy. Just Google star paws and you should be able to buy them there. And they have tons of other awesome furry stuff that's under $100. So definitely check them out. Our final gift idea is something that I feel is appropriate given this year's unique circumstances. A great webcam like the one I use to film my videos. The Logitech C920, which is exactly the model that I use, is a very good webcam, very high quality video, and it streams in HD. So that you can look your best in your Zoom calls or in those virtual conventions that we've been doing. Those can often be found for just under $100. This is probably going to be the most expensive item on our list. But I shopped around. I was able to get mine for under $100, and I think Best Buy has them for like 80 something. So definitely check them out, especially if you're looking for a good webcam and you plan on doing more video calls and things like that. It's great for anything from virtual calls to making goofy YouTube videos. It's a bit of equipment that I can definitely recommend. What are some awesome gift ideas that you have for this holiday season? Let me know down in the comments below, and let's get our shopping list squared away. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I want to give a special shout out to our amazing Patreons. Sopal Posse, Sasha Fennec, and Lemfett. You guys are awesome, and I couldn't do this without you. Thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, then make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and comment down below some of your awesome gift ideas. And make sure you subscribe to that channel and that you ring that bell icon so that you're notified when we post content here in the future. With next week being the Christmas, or the week of Christmas rather, I'm going to be taking a break to celebrate the holidays, but I'll be right back to posting once Christmas has ended. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have an awesome holiday and a wonderful Christmas. Bye-bye.